Swaggy, so forced that in. Back to my again. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So it is day 2 of the vlog. I am having a makuya, guys. I'm so tired. I need to cook. Stove isn't giving me a problem, so I don't know what to do. I'm just out. I'm hungry now. I just finished working out. Guys, I'm so tired. Guys, I've normalized not wearing makeup. Like I feel like my skin is glowing somehow deep down inside, but I feel like still glow because when you are happy inside, like on a serious face, like when you are happy from within, guys, you don't get trouble. Even the little nunu there is like, you know. Yeah, so it is another day of the vlog. Day 2. It is a Sunday today. I did a vlog where we went out with me and my siblings and my son and my daughter, but she left is also that was sad for me. But I enjoyed, you know, taking them out, which I've been doing before until my nose never was a problem. So now it's literally not a problem at all. I'm gonna be doing like a lot of outings with my family, guys. I have a small tiny family. I'm gonna normalize like going out a lot with them because we used to do that a lot. So now it's just another we are rebuilding right in the right way. So let me eat amakunya, guys. I'm absolutely wonderful. My brother took another, so I'm going to eat now and then I didn't go to church, guys. I need to go back to church. I'm not I'm a very bad sport when it comes to church. I don't know. I need to go back to church every Sunday. Like it should be my it was my thing, but church is rules where you cannot come to church when you have the second day and just stay home and on a Wednesday. So I'm not going Wednesday. I'm going I'm gonna go Sunday, Wednesday, and then go cleanse myself. Because I finally sister there. Miss her 2 bits. Let me finish here. I'm done editing. I posted a vlog, guys. I'm gonna be very consistent, guys. Even if it's 3 times a week, I'm gonna be very consistent. I'm gonna shoot a video now, and then this is my snack. I need to do a wig, and I ordered at AliExpress. It was 11.11. I ordered a lot of things. I think it cost like 2 something, and I think there's like 6, 7. I think I overdid it, but it was not that bad. I ordered a lot of things, so I can't wait for that. I hope they come like December, not January, because they say 60 to 30 days. Yeah, I'll sit it out. As tired as I am, I worked out. Shout out to me. Guys, love you guys so much. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment. Also, guys, share the love. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. Thank you so much for watching. So I'll see you guys later. Definitely. That's on definitely. Morning, guys. It is another day. It's raining outside. It's so raining. So guys, what happened is yesterday I tried to, I don't know what I was doing. That's live laptop, guys. My everything was just gone. I didn't have space. It was just a lot happening. So it is morning. It's on about 8 o'clock. So here I am. I don't know what I was doing here, fiddling, and I just removed everything. Let me show you. Like, this is my laptop. Everything is blank. I have nothing. You see, now I tried to do the backup thing. Like here, I tried to do the backup because I'm gonna next. Like everything is dead. My movies, my series, my pictures, my work. It's just I have to start from scratch. So I am so stressed, very stressed. But again, I think I'll like manage to fix it. I'm not sure. because it is blank. When I open it, it's like no picture, no signing in, no nothing. I have to start from scratch. Oh, I'm eating dairy milk, by the way. Crazy. Only on your face, so yeah. So it's just a whole lot, and I don't know. Like, actually, here I am. Yesterday, I was trying to, yesterday I finished everything early. I shot the Benini pictures, at done. So I'm like, you know what? Later on, I'm gonna watch. I'm gonna get a movie, ne? And just don't say like, take one can, open it, and then this. I'm like, fine, don't mind that. Now, my PayPal account has been giving me hell. I don't know what's going on, but I'm gonna try and get to the bottom of it, mind you, and withdraw my funds. It takes like 3 days or 2 days, depending on how fast they are. So I need to withdraw my funds. That's it. After this, I'm gonna work on that, cause guys, I will see you later. I decided to vlog. I will definitely see you later when I decide to vlog. The lighting sucks because my ring light is far, and the lighting is better, not that bad, but I wanted to take the ring light and keep it up so you guys get a better lighting. But then extension is that side, and yeah, it's just a lot. I'll see you guys later.
Then dip me underway. You can feel my first love. Hold me till I scream forever. And wash me over until my will runs dry. Send all your sins all over me, baby, baby, baby.
just realized that I have wine from this weekend. Guys, this backpack, it's the girl's best friend, especially when you are colored and this thing lasted for like 3 days. I have like a glass. Let me just push it down so you can see. I just finished cleaning up my room. Guys, I see some. This is my money. This is like 3 rand, 5 rand. This is 100 rand. And I still have pennies. Yo, Elena, yona. This was 1 rand. Maybe 1 rand they sell, guys. Yo. Guys, look at this. I don't get it. How do you do this? Apple Master Chef. I'll try it. See, I forced that in. But put my TV. Literally. Like some mix. I'm singing the song, guys. Okay, all done. Futhi ngathi imashorele kancane ngikho. Yeah, imashorele kancane, guys. It's strong onyana. Okay, guys, I'll see you tomorrow, not today. And then kusasa, guys, angisavlogi. So kusasa, I'm post a video tomorrow, which is a Wednesday. How I edit my Instagram pictures and all of that. Hope you enjoyed the video. I'll see you guys later. Guys, umzimba wami is reeking of alcohol. My body, my alcohol levels are very high. Like, by the way, I love this. I love this so much. Comfortable. So if you're thinking, I love, in fact, pause a man's. Pause a man's 1 liter. No more pause wine. All way. 1 way. Balance. Get balance you up. You guys, my body is reeking of alcohol. So much alcohol. So yeah, I'll see you guys later. Cheers to many more of such good vibes. Bye. Plus, I'm still eating chocolate. From yesterday, like I've been craving chocolate and I got chocolate. Guys, anything that you ask for, God will deliver. So this was delivered. Got this. And yeah, let me just wrap this shit up. See you guys later. Guys, my station is looking clean. I love when my station is looking clean because I know but I'm going to mess it up because I always keep a Bible everywhere. Every corner of this house has a Bible. This is my life. I eat this, I breathe this. So, and what do you call this thing? Umthendelelo, guys. But just wayenza wathathile wena wenziwa yini, so umthendelelo wami. And then yeah, love that for me. This is I cleaned up very good, guys. Cleaned up this, guys. I can't find the Lydia Lana, so, and I love all these colors and I use them a lot, so and we are looking clean, guys. Let me just show you. I'm trying to show you. I'm gonna light it up, but it's nice and clean. The edible lunch. Hi guys, so it is later in the day. My sister's back, but she's leaving tomorrow.
I'm leaving this girl.
Anyway, it's fun. She needs it. So the rain just stopped now, and we're walking to a store. We're going to the shops. Again, guys, you must remember, I'm a Kasi girl. Kasi can never take a Kasi out of me. Okay? But one day you might, but never. Even though I was not. So guys, yeah, I will see you guys later. I'm still drinking my Bernini in the streets. We're in the streets. Guys, classic is nice. It's so classic. Guys, let me show you my friend. Guys, I can put a little chili late. I'm sure Hi, Chiwi. Hi, Chihuahua. Put him on. Spoon, puss. Do you want a drink? Do you want a drink? Drink. Chiwi. Chihuahua, do you want a drink? Do you want a drink? Do you want a drink? Cheers. Yes. Ah, it's bro. Hello, Chibi. Guys, and then I know nothing about dog, and then he just decides to lay down there. Why are you lily pants? Why are you chilling? Why are you chilling? You might drink. What you doing, nigga? But kita zaga mnandi, not me, nane. How you doing? You chilling? Guys, this girl has no stress. Move. Bye bye. Bye bye. See you later. Suguma. Sam. Eh. Show Suguma. Sam. I don't have time for you. I don't have time for you. That nigga. Yeah, you don't shift like I said, That's my boyfriend.
That make you wanna change your scene and wanna be the one on my team. Tell me what you see, what's the point in waiting anymore? Cause girl, I've never been more sure that baby it's you. This ring here represents my heart and everything that you've been waiting for. Just say I do. Because I can see us holding hands, walking on the beach, our toes in the sand. I can see us on the countryside, sitting on the grassland side by side. You can be my baby, when you make you my lady. Girl, you amaze me, ain't gotta do nothing crazy. See, all I want you to do is be my love. My love. My love. And I'm not the woman that can take your spot, my love. My love. So don't give away. My love. And another woman that can take your spot, my love. I can see us holding hands, walking on the beach, our toes in the sand. I can see us on the countryside, sitting on the grassland side by side. You could be my baby, when you make you my lady. Girl, you amaze me, ain't gotta do nothing crazy. See, all I want you to do is be my love. My love. My love. And another woman that can take your spot, my love. My love. My love. And another woman that can take your spot, my love.
let you go. Girl, you know how I've been living without you. Daydreaming on a cloud with you like horizon. With you tonight is on an island. Yeah. It's about time we're making up. The times you wasn't with me waking up. Now you feel set up, didn't miss your touch. I needed to distance myself from you. I was just to know you want you. So come close, I want you. Can I tell you something for what it's worth? With you having this place on earth, and take you there, I'll take you. Show you something, give you more than words. With you having this place on earth, and take you there, I'll take you there. Take you there, won't you? Fill me up till my cup's overflowing. I'm so anxious just to feel the silence. It's so quiet, but I hear you saying to me, baby. It's about time we're making up time. The times you wasn't with me waking up. Now you never said I couldn't miss your touch. I needed to distance myself from you. I was just to know you want you. So come close, won't you? Can I tell you something for what it's worth? We have it that's on earth.
Ay, kita bayar.
ngathi ngabaleka kuthiwa ngiyafa.
Bandivile uyafa lezi abaneziyena last.
Ukufa. Ngiyakusiphopa ukufa. Ujuluka manje.
Uthi uzabe uzwa.
Ayucabanga kuze ngizone.
Ubona ukufa ngeke ume phela.
Enangazi ukuthi uzoyenzeka. Uzobungacabanganga at that moment.
Ngiyakunderstand lokho. That is why ngithi that is why ngithi yabona mangafika umuntu manje akhiphi ngasibona kuphuma ngamafastela. Ngibhamu. Yabona? Siyabhala.